Imagine whipping up crispy fried chicken, perfectly toasted bagels, or a juicy roast without drowning your kitchen in oil or heating up the entire house. This Elite Gourmet 8.5 Quart Air Fryer Oven is here to transform your cooking experience, blending versatility, health-conscious design, and sleek aesthetics into one compact powerhouse. Whether you're a busy parent, a health enthusiast, or a small space dweller, this air fryer oven promises to elevate your culinary game with ease and efficiency. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this 800-watt stainless steel marvel is a must-have for modern kitchens, diving into its features, benefits, and why it's stealing the spotlight. Solving everyday cooking challenges. Cooking can be a hassle. Greasy pans, unevenly cooked meals, and ovens that take forever to preheat are all too familiar. The Elite Gourmet 8.5 Quart Air Fryer Oven tackles these pain points head-on. Its oil-free cooking technology eliminates the mess and guilt of deep frying, while the rapid 360-degree hot air circulation ensures even cooking without constant babysitting. No more soggy fries or undercooked chicken. Plus, its compact design saves counter space, and the lack of preheating means dinner is on the table faster than ever. Say goodbye to overheated kitchens and hello to quick, healthy, delicious meals. Why the Elite Gourmet 8.5 Quart Air Fryer Oven stands out. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. With a generous 8.5 quart capacity, it's perfect for singles, couples, or small families, fitting everything from a whole chicken to a 12-inch pizza. The stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any countertop, while its 5-in-1 functionality, air fry, broil, toast, bake, and broil with convection, makes it a versatile workhorse. Whether you're craving crispy wings, golden toast, or a tender roast, this air fryer oven delivers with precision and flair. Key features. That wow. Compact 8.5 quart capacity. Spacious enough for family-sized meals, yet compact for small kitchens, ideal for apartments or cozy homes. 5-in-1 versatility. Air fry, broil, toast, bake, or broil with convection. Tackle any recipe with ease. Healthy, oil-free cooking. Achieve crispy, flavorful results with little to no oil, slashing calories without sacrificing taste. Adjustable controls, precise temperature settings, 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff for safe, stress-free cooking. Sleek stainless steel design. A modern, durable finish with a glass door and easy grip handle for style and practicality. Easy cleanup. Includes a dishwasher-safe bake pan, air fry basket, and removable crumb tray for hassle-free maintenance. Recipe book. Included, comes with 25 healthy, delicious recipes to spark your culinary creativity. Energy efficient. At 800 watts, it's gentler on your electric bill than traditional ovens. Who's it for? The Elite Gourmet 8.5 Quart Air Fryer. Oven is perfect for busy professionals. Quick, healthy meals without the fuss, ideal for tight schedules. Health-conscious eaters. Enjoy fried favorites with fewer calories and no greasy mess. Small households, singles, couples, or small families who need a compact yet powerful appliance. Apartment dwellers. Its space-saving design fits neatly on any countertop. Culinary enthusiasts. Experiment with 25 included recipes and versatile cooking modes to unleash your inner chef. Why choose Elite Gourmet over competitors? Compared to other air fryer ovens, the Elite Gourmet 8.5 Quart stands out for its balance of size, functionality, and affordability. Larger models, like 24.5 quart versions, may overwhelm small kitchens, while smaller basket-style fryers lack the versatility of this oven's rack system. The two rack settings allow you to cook multiple dishes at once, unlike bucket-style fryers where food piles up unevenly. Plus, at 800 watts, it's more energy efficient than many competitors, saving you money in the long run. The sleek design and included accessories, bake pan, air fry basket, and crumb tray, add value that's hard to beat. Is it worth it? Priced competitively, the Elite Gourmet 8.5 Quart Air Fryer Oven offers incredible value for its features. It's a stylish, versatile, and health-focused appliance that simplifies cooking while delivering restaurant-quality results. Whether you're air-frying fries, baking a pizza, or toasting artisan bread, this oven handles it all with ease. The minor quirk with the timer's precision is overshadowed by its overall performance, energy efficiency, and easy cleanup. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, this air fryer oven is a worthy investment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.